transmission of electricity, there are some charges spent on these, like these charges includes administrative staff, salary, rent, traveling expenses, advertisements, insurance, electricity, water, etc. Normally 10 to 15% of the total estimated material and labor expenses are spent on the overhead expenses. The overhead expenses can be divided into two categories. Overhead expenses means what are the extra expenditure we are performing on the material so that they are available for the easy working. First is maintenance overhead charges and second is administrative overhead charges. What is maintenance overhead charges? This is the expenditure. This expenditure is on keeping the machine in working order. उसको मेंटेन है ना, मशीन को मेंटेन करने के लिए जो चार्जेस हैं, लाइक एक्सपेंडिचर इन्वॉल्व इन स्पेयर पार्ट्स, मशीन्स, normal working because of to reduce any wear and tear of machines. All the expenses includes in maintenance overhead charges. Apart from this, the water charges, house tax, depreciation charges, all are included in maintenance charge. Secondly, we have administrative overhead charges. These are the funds that is required to run administration of various departments and their employees properly and efficiently. This expenditure involved on the functioning of the departments such as purchase section, sales section, salaries, accounts, etc. Then we have labor charges. Men at work, the men that are performing some tasks are known as labor, and the money included for their wages and all these parts are known as labor charges. There are two methods of determination of labor charges. One is electrical point method and second is fixed percentage method. Electrical point method means very simple method है to determination of labor charges for any project. इस मेथड के अंदर हम वर्क को इम्प्लीमेंट करते हैं, किस टाइप का वर्क, लाइक यहाँ देखिए मेन बोर्ड लिखा हुआ है, किस तरह के इक्विपमेंट्स हैं जो मटेरियल हम यूज़ कर रहे हैं, नंबर ऑफ पॉइंट्स कितनी क्वांटिटी में हम यूज़ कर रहे हैं, रेट पर यूनिट उसका कितना है एंड टोटल रेट टू फाइंड आउट द टोटल लेबर चार्जेस. In this system, total number of points in a building are counted, which includes installation of main board and switchboards, and labor per unit is paid to the approved contractor in case of government buildings and to an individual in case of private buildings. सिर्फ इस चार्ट को देखिए आप, यहाँ पर डिस्क्रिप्शन ऑफ वर्क है, नंबर ऑफ पॉइंट्स है, रेट है एंड रेट टोटल रेट इन रुपीज़. Second is fixed percentage method. In this method, the fixed percentage of total material cost is counted towards labor payment, and this percentage may be 15, 20, 25 depending upon the type of wiring. यहाँ देखिए हम डिस्क्रिप्शन में लिखेंगे total cost of wiring, material cost, rate and labor cost. Contingencies. ड्यूरिंग यहाँ देखिए अब ड्यूरिंग कंप्लीशन ऑफ प्रोजेक्ट देयर कैन बी एमरजेंसी एक्सपेंसेस. कुछ एबनॉर्मल कंडीशंस अगर पैदा हो जाती हैं ना, उस केसेस में जो एक्सपेंसेस हैं दैट आर नोन एज कॉन्टीजेंसीज, एंड दीज एडिशनल एमरजेंसी एक्सपेंसेस मे बी अकर ड्यू टू एनी रीजन सच एज इंक्रीज इन कॉस्ट और एक्सपेंसेस. ऑल दीज लाइज इन दिस कैटेगरी contingencies. For this, 3 to 5% of the material cost and the labor cost is estimated to be included because of contingencies, and this amount is fully compensates the additional material cost, labor cost and other expenses which could be considered. Okay. परचेज सिस्टम, ये इसमें टॉपिक है जो मेन है. द फॉलोइंग की सीक्वेंस ऑफ प्रोसीजर इज अडॉप्टेड. इस तरीके से हम कोई भी मटेरियल जो है वो परचेज करते हैं. First is requisition, second is call of quotations, then comparative statements, purchase order, inspection of material and release of payment. सबसे पहले हम रिक्वेस्ट डालते हैं, रिक्वेजिशन में हम डिमांड डालते हैं कितना मटेरियल, किस टाइप का मटेरियल चाहिए. कॉल ऑफ कोटेशंस, फिर हम उस डिमांड के हिसाब से उनसे पेमेंट या फिर उसकी पर यूनिट प्राइस की कोटेशंस प्रोवाइड करवाते हैं। थर्डली, डिफरेंट कंपनीज से जो कोटेशंस आती हैं, इन कोटेशंस को कंपेरेटिव स्टडी करते हैं एंड टू फाइंड आउट द बेस्ट एंड चीपेस्ट वन वी हैव टू select. Finally, we provide some purchase order, then inspection of material is performed, and after that the pending payment is released after terms and conditions are considered. तो ये 6 steps हैं for the purchase system, वही हमने आगे इसमें mention किया हुआ है. Purchase order, yes, there is a term known as tender, which oftenly terms as the rates made by the supplier or manufacturer on a prescribed format which forms some sealed envelope, and there is some money deposited along with the tender which is known as earnest money. This money is a guarantee by a tender party which is bound to supply some material if its tender is found to be competitive. Okay, and this earnest money is sometimes also known as security deposit. Security deposit और earnest money की same definition है इसमें. Yes, earnest money. It is the money which is deposited by the tenderer with the officer who has issued the tender notice. And this earnest money is in the form of demand draft and is refunded back to the unsuccessful tenderer. तो ये थी हमारे पास different वर्डिंग्स दैट इज यूज इन एस्टिमेटिंग एंड कॉस्टिंग.